let your glory be over all the earth. The one thing that Jesus will not force upon you is your praise and your worship, and it is the one thing that He wants most. So every single weekend when we have the opportunity to lift up our voices, to stand in front of our church, to sing praises, to lift up our hands, what we're saying is, King Jesus, you are the focus. You get all the glory, you get all the honor, you get all the praise, because you are the one who saved my soul. And since He is the one who saved my soul, He is the one who is exalted today. So let's not miss out on an opportunity right now to give Him the glory and the honor and the praise. So I'm going to encourage you, in these next few moments, would you just give Jesus everything?
Glory fills this place. You alone deserve